spoken English, English speaking practice. सीधा बसो, sit up straight, sit up straight. खाद्य खाओ, have food, have food. याकु फेराई दियो, give it back, give it back. तुम्हें जानिछ कि? Do you know? Do you know? तुम्हें केमती जानिलो? How did you know? How did you know? कथा कौन बा घटना कौन? What's the matter? What's the matter? मोर कहिबार अर्थ एहा नुह. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. किंबा जदि आमे कहिबा मोर कहिबार अर्थ एहा नथिला बा मोर कहिबार माने एहा नथिला. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. मु आउ किछि कहउतली. I was telling something else. I was telling something else. तुम्हें मते भूल बुझिलो. You got me wrong. You got me wrong. तुम्हें मते बुझी पारिलोनी. You couldn't understand me. You couldn't understand me. केही मते बुझी पारंतनी. Nobody understands me. Nobody understands me. मु केवल तुमको विश्वास करे. I only trust you. I only trust you. जेते शीघ्र संभव. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. मु भाभी पारुनी. I can't think. I can't think. एहार दाम केते? How much is this? How much is this? समय केते होईछि? What is the time? What is the time? मु कहि परिबि नाही. I can't say. I can't say. किछि धारणा नहीं. No idea. No idea. अन्यमानकु साहाय्य करो. Help others. Help others. चलिबा जारी रखो बा चालू थाओ. Keep going. Keep going. तांको विश्वास करनी. Don't believe him. Don't believe him. तुम्हें चुप रहो. You shut up. You shut up. मोते आउ दियो. Give me more. Give me more. यह टिके देख. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. पुणी देरी करनी. Don't be late again. Don't be late again. यह को बाहर को नहीं जाओ. Take it out. Take it out. तुमको यह किए कहला? Who told you this? Who told you this? तुम्हें एक कथा केमिति कहि पारुछो? How can you say that? How can you say that? यह विषय मु निश्चिंत नुहे. I am not sure about this. I am not sure about this. ମୋ ମୁହଁକୁ ଦେଖ। Look at my face. Look at my face. ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା ନୁହଁ। I am not different. I am not different. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପରି। I am just like you. I am just like you. ମୋ ଆଖି ସାମ୍ନାରୁ ଦୂରେଇ ଯାଅ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁନି। I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you. ତୁମେ ମୋ ଜୀବନକୁ ନର୍କ କରିଦେଇଛ। You have made my life hell. You have made my life hell. ତୁମେ ବିଲକୁଲ ଠିକ୍। You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. ମୋ ପାଖରୁ କିଛି ଲୁଚାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't hide anything from me. Don't hide anything from me. ମୋତେ ସବୁ କଥା କୁହ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. ବିନା କାରଣରେ ଝଗଡ଼ା କରନି। Don't fight for no reason. Don't fight for no reason. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ପଚାରି ପାରେ କି? Can I ask you one thing? Can I ask you one thing? ଆଉ କିଛି ପଚାର। Ask something else. Ask something else. ବାରମ୍ବାର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରନି। Don't ask the same question again and again. Don't ask the same question again and again. ମୋତେ ବିରକ୍ତ ଲାଗୁଛି ବା ମୁଁ ବିରକ୍ତ ହୋଇଯାଉଛି। ସେଠି କହିବା I am getting irritated. I am getting irritated. ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର। Try to understand. Try to understand. ମୋତେ ରଗାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. ଆଜେ ବାଜେ କଥା କୁହନି। Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. ଏବେ ପାଇଁ ଏସବୁ ଛାଡ଼। Just leave it for now. Just leave it for now. ତୁମେ ନିଜକୁ କ'ଣ ଭାବ? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? ତୁମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋତେ ମିଛ କୁହ। Every time you tell a lie to me. Every time you tell a lie to me. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଆଉ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେନି। I don't trust you anymore. I don't trust you anymore. Here is a question for you. ତୁମେ ଏହା କରିପାରିବନି। ଏହାର ଇଂଲିଶ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଲେଖି ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.